Do you work a corporate job? If your answer is yes, then this video is for you, because you are unknowingly losing out on $1.4 million. Now you might be thinking, how am I losing $1.4 million? Don't overthink it. I'll explain it to you in simple terms. So let's get into the video. Guys, just imagine. You're working at your office, suddenly your boss walks up to you, hands you an envelope stuffed with $5,000 in cash and says, "This is yours, just take it." And what do? You take that envelope and throw it straight into the trash can. Sounds crazy, right? No sane person would throw away free money like that. But the harsh truth is, millions of people in America are unknowingly doing exactly this every single year, and you might be one of them. My name is Sanjay, and today we're going to talk about the biggest and most common financial mistake in America, the 401k employer match mistake. This is the one mistake that is silently stopping you from becoming a millionaire. If your company offers a 401k match, it literally just means free money sitting on the table. Let's say your annual salary is $100,000. Your company's policy is that if you put 5% of your salary, which is $5,000, into your 401k retirement account, the company will also put $5,000 into your account for free. Think about this carefully. The second you put $5,000 into your account, your company instantly turns it into $10,000. You got a 100% return in exactly 1 second with zero effort and zero risk. No stock market, real estate, or crypto in the world can give you a guaranteed 100% return in 1 second. Even the biggest player in the stock market, Warren Buffett, only pulls around a 20% annual return. And here, your boss is handing you a 100% return. Now you might be thinking, what difference does $5,000 really make? Let's do some math. If you've been taking this $5,000 free match every year starting at age 25, and that money grows in the stock market, like the S&P 500, at an average return of 8%, by the time you hit 65, just that free money alone will have compounded to roughly $1.4 million. You literally threw your own $1.4 million fortune in the trash just because you didn't take 5 minutes to fill out that HR form. A lot of people tell me, I have tons of credit card debt or student loans. How can I put money into a 401k? I totally get your struggle, but even if your credit card interest is 20% or 25%, that 100% return from your 401k match will always beat it. It's just simple math. You don't have to put all your money into your 401k, but you should absolutely contribute at least enough to get the full company match, not a single dollar less. If you don't do this, you're basically donating a chunk of your own salary back to your company. So do it today. Log into your company's HR portal right now and check if you are taking all of your free money or leaving it on the table forever. If this video opened your eyes, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel so you never make a financial mistake like this in the future. I'm Sanjay, and I'll catch you in the next video.